Welcome back, and joining us on the show now is Vaishali Banerjee. She's MD India, Platinum Guild International. Vaishali, hi, good to have you. While so many things happened in the budget, but Platinum clearly also got a push with 15.4% to 6.4% of a duty cut that we saw. Your initial reactions to this?
Hi, Manisha. Lovely to be here, as always. Yes, we really welcome this duty reduction. We're very pleased. I want to thank the government for it, really, because this will enable the industry to progress, to grow. The demand is robust, but this will really catalyze it. I think there will be increase in platinum jewelry footprint and everything else that goes with rising demand at an industry level. More opportunity for people, jobs, and a sustainable growth in the future.
Vaishali, what is the kind of demand growth that India sees right now in sense of jewelry buying when it comes to platinum? How has that worked out in the last few years? And especially with this duty cut, are you expecting a spike in this?
Yes, definitely. We do expect a spike because, the demand has been growing year on year. It's been quite robust. Every year we grow between, anything between 15 to 20% at a fabrication level, slightly above that at retail. And now what this will do is make platinum even more accessible. The price is very consumer friendly already, and now it will make it even more accessible. And I think so the entire footprint and just the appeal of platinum can get broader. So definitely we're expecting this to boost demand in the coming season and going forward.
Vaishali, because of the price decline or because of the tax decline, what is your sense as compared to last year? Because we are getting into the wedding and the festival season as well, what is the demand that you were in any case working with, and how much have you seen an increase now with the duty cut?
So, we're really looking forward to the season. We're quite bullish. We've got great ideas lined up ahead, across all our brands. We've got very interesting new ideas. We've got MS Dhoni's signature collection and Men of Platinum. I think this is the first for the industry. So it should be, it should help us really boost demand. On the top of that, now with the declining duty, which will make the price even better than it is currently, it will just widen demand, and I think we are looking at least an 18 to 20% growth in the coming season.
Oh, that's a big one. Vaishali, also...
Yes, it's a big one.
It is. Vaishali, also when it comes to India, and we do understand that whatever platinum came into India in all of 2023, that we saw that kind of an inflow in a month, and that was because of the kind of distorted duty structure that India also saw. Would you say that all of that now with this duty cut has been taken care of?
I think so. I think that, those kind of things which get in the way of just doing business and could be quite disruptive, I think that this kind of duty structure should really address those challenges.
Vaishali, also when you look at the international markets, we are working with a big deficit yet again for this year as well. And while jewelry is 30% of platinum demand, it's about automotive, it's about electrics, it's also about EVs, where we do see a lot of industrial demand in sense of platinum coming from. Are you looking at this 30% grow anytime soon?
Well, we don't have the contribution will grow, but what we are looking from a jewelry point of view is to keep the jewelry demand quite robust. And we're doing this across markets. There are plans across each of our markets where we operate. We are also looking at new region. We've just introduced the program into the Middle East. Now that is going to be entirely incremental demand, which should support jewelry consumption of platinum going forward. So while this is just a startup market now and we're testing waters, but it already has been quite positive in its response to platinum jewelry. So like this, we are looking at new opportunities or even new segments to ensure that the jewelry demand remains robust.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Thanks, Manisha, as well as Vaishali, for taking us through that conversation. We need to take a short break, but we'll be back with more. Stay tuned.